Masquera say MuZimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. And I channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas MuZimbabwe tapigirai nyaya yabuditswa na the ambassador we Zimbabwe to Mozambique Victor Matemadanda avabuda vachiadvisa maZimbabweans ari kurara mari munyika yeMozambique kuti vagare vari mudzimba dzavo vaavoid magatherings ongoing protest ari kuitika munyika yeMozambique. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo during an interview near the Herald vakaissue an advisory caution to maZimbabweans ese ari Mozambique hapo the opposition supporters vari kuprotesta nyaya yemaresults yemusi 9 October 2024 ma-elections akaitwa musi iwoyu. So vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti Zimbabweans in Mozambique should stay indoors and stay clear of public gatherings. Matemadanda vakabuda vachiemphasize kuti maZimbabweans should not involved in any demonstrations, so they should remain vigilant or avoid areas ane crowds muZimbabwe zvakare nema-areas ari kuwanikwa achi-erupt violence. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiadvise yavo ndeyekuti vanhu vagare mudzimba dzavo kusvika situation yanormaliza muZimbabwe. Nyaya yabuditswa neIRR on their official website vachitaura ivo vachiti in light of the ongoing violent protests, Zimbabwe's ambassador to Mozambique Victor Matemadanda has called on Zimbabweans living in Mozambique to stay indoors and avoid public gatherings. Speaking during an interview with the Herald, Ambassador Matemadanda issued an advisory caution to all Zimbabweans in Mozambique as opposition supporters continue to protest the results of the October 9, 2024 election. He strongly advised Zimbabweans in Mozambique to stay indoors and stay clear of public gatherings. The ambassador emphasized that Zimbabweans should not get involved in any demonstrations and should remain vigilant, avoiding areas where crowds are forming, as violence could erupt unexpectedly. My advice is that our people should stay indoors until the situation normalizes. They should keep away from the demonstrations. Many people prefer to be indoors. I think, likewise, Zimbabweans should do the same. They should try as much as they can to avoid gatherings to make sure that they are safe, he said. While there have been one report of Zimbabweans being harmed amid the unrest, Matemadanda reminded nationals that they are in a foreign country and that they should avoid any activities that might expose them to danger. He also stressed that once violence erupts, it poses a risk to everyone, locals and foreigners alike. We have not seen or heard any Zimbabwean who got killed or injured in Mozambique. I would like to advise Zimbabweans who are in Mozambique that they should not forget that they are in a foreign land. They should stay in their homes and not get involved in the protests. When they see people gathering or grouping, they should try to avoid those gatherings. Once violence starts, it will not distinguish a local from a foreigner. He cautioned those who might travel to Mozambique for business, nothing potential disruptions in transport as protests continue. And when the IRR vachitaura pamusoro pewarning yakapiwa naVictor Matemadanda on maZimbabweans Ariku Mozambique, vachi they should not be involved muchiitiko ichochi muZimbabwe chimaprotests ari kuitika kuMozambique. Tisingaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tiudze izvo muri kufunga mucomment section. A Zimbabwean truck driver auraiwa kuMozambique during a protest. Azvinomira mushe there is a protest iri kuitika kuMozambique hapo the opposition vanhu veopposition party vari kuprotesta vachitaura ivo vachiti ma-elections akarigwa muZimbabwe. Zvinomira mushe pane mareports abuda ekuti ma-protesters atageta ma-truck drivers from Zimbabwe mushure mekunge vari kunzi vakatsamwa maMozambiquans ari kuaccuse the Zimbabwean president Emerson Mnangagwa nekufacilitata the voter transportation kuti vaziwanikwa vachisapota the ruling party Frelimo muma-elections akabva kuitika. The incident iyi yashamisa vanhu vazhinji muri Zimbabwe. Inofunga the SABC News yakabuda ichiripota ichiti Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF is becoming a serious problem within the region yeSADC muri Zimbabwe. So the tragic death truck driver highlight a potential for Zimbabwean internal political activities could actually impact stability yedzimwe nyika mu region. Ndikutaura kwatiri kuita truck drivers are saying they are not safe. Ndafunga pane video tikambokuvigirai apo truck driver aitaura achiti hazvina kumira mushe kuMozambique. Driver achiti takatorwa makeys nemaprotesters and hapana kwavari kupinda. Bhodha rikaonekwa richivharwa muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya iyi yakaburitswa neThe Zimbabwean Mail vachitaura ivo vachiti a Zimbabwean truck driver was tragically killed in Mozambique during a protest as tensions escalate over allegations of electoral interference. Reports suggest that protesters targeted the driver amid widespread anger, with some Mozambicans accusing Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa of facilitating voter transportation to support Mozambique's ruling party Frelimo in recent elections. The incident underscores growing frustrations in Mozambique, where accusations of external interference in the electoral process have fueled unrest. Evidence reportedly suggests that people were transported across the border to vote, sparking resentment among Mozambican citizens who feel their democratic process is being undermined. The South African Broadcasting Corporation (SABC) recently reported that Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF is becoming a serious problem within the region, adding weight to concerns that Zimbabwe's political dynamics may be affecting neighboring countries. The tragic death of the truck driver highlights the potential for Zimbabwe's internal political activities to impact regional relations and stability. The incident has prompted calls for both Zimbabwean and Mozambican authorities to address the root cause of the tension and ensure the safety of cross-border workers amid the current turmoil. Ndonyaya yaburitswa naThe Zimbabwean Mail muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Kutaura kwatiri kuita zvinoumira mushe muMozambique parunzi 18 vanhu vafa so far muri Zimbabwe. Maripotsi ari kuindicata kuti madeaths aya akaitika muri capital city muMaputo. Zvikunzi 15 maofficials akaassaultwa by angry protesters at Rezano Garcia border between South Africa and Mozambique. Zvikunzi maofficials akatakwa akatizira kuSouth Africa for their safety nezvakonsoti South Africa iwanikwe ichivhara border muri Zimbabwe. Zvinoumira mushe.